In terms of precise numbers of what actually happens and how much the glucose spike of a meal can be reduced by, the study that shows us this is called Mulberry Leaf Extract Improves Glycemic Response and Insulinemic Response to Sucrose in Healthy Subjects, Results of a Randomized, Double-Blind, Placebo-Controlled Study. So in this study, the subjects took 250 milligrams of mulberry leaf extract, which is, and remember this, the clinical dose. The scientists found that this reduced the glucose spike of that meal by up to 40%, as well as reducing the insulin spike of that meal by up to 40%. Now, the reason this is important is because you could reduce the glucose spike of a meal by increasing insulin levels, but this has a whole host of negative consequences. We don't want our insulin levels to increase too much. And with DNJ from mulberry leaf, you're getting both great things, the reduction in glucose levels and in insulin levels. So here's an example of using 250 milligrams of mulberry leaf extract on a bagel. As you can see, without the mulberry leaf, bigger spike, with the mulberry leaf, smaller spike. The evidence is clear. This amazing molecule is incredibly powerful at reducing our glucose spikes. It is way more powerful than vinegar, and there's nothing else that comes close to being able to have that immediate effect on the glucose spike of a meal. Now, what does this concretely do when you reduce the glucose spike of a meal? The immediate effects it has is on cravings. You no longer feel the urge to eat sugar after that meal, because with a smaller spike, you also have a smaller dip. And studies show us that with a smaller dip, you have fewer cravings. And hunger comes back more slowly. You're helping your hunger hormones. You also have better energy and less inflammation, because big glucose spikes and dips increase both inflammation and make you tired. And we don't want that.